Hey guys, what's up? It's Christine Seal, and in this video, I'm going to show you an amazing prospecting tool that is going to generate a free marketing audit report for potential clients in your area that you can then use to identify their weaknesses and offer them a solution by becoming your client. And if you stay until the end, I'll tell you how to grab this as well as show you what the report looks like. So let's get started. This is a really cool feature that dropped in HighLevel that is going to generate an audit report for you after it finds local businesses and show them ways that they can improve. You can then use this tool to get new clients. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into your agency settings at the very top level inside of HighLevel. And if you don't already have an account, grab a free trial using the link below. We're going to click on Prospecting. And you'll see here that it says start prospecting for new clients. Click on add a prospect. And here you can either add them manually using this link, or you can say, see here the prompt says, okay, let's do chiropractors near me and see if it can find. Check that out. Okay, cool. Control plus to zoom the map. I always mess these things up. I'm just gonna use my mouse wheel. Ooh, look at this. You can see the opportunities before you even click on them, which is really cool. No GBP claimed here. They don't have a Google My Business profile. That's crazy. It tells you what the conversion rate is here, if their site's hosted on WordPress or not. So this looks like it could be a W, guys. 62% more likely. I'm going to click on this here, and it's going to automatically populate. It says, do you have a point of contact? I do not. So I'm going to click on Save Prospect, and I'm going to see what happens. Okay, it's going to go ahead and generate a report for me, and it's going to take a little bit, so I'll come back when that's done, and I'll show you what it looks like. I'm back with the report, and let's go through it together. So it looks like on the online health score, they are missing quite a few listings. 16, in fact. So they only have 8, they're missing 16. That's an opportunity for you right there. They have claimed their Google business profile, and they have a text-enabled business number, but that's about where that stops. It looks like they've only replied to 20% of the last 50 reviews, and they do not have a chat widget on their website, which is a super easy SaaS service that you could offer. They also do not have a WordPress site. All right, and then it says potential customers are searching online for products or services that your business offers. With SEO, you can boost your visibility in those search results so people can find you. So this is like, you can literally just export this, guys, right here with this button and share this with your potential client. That's crazy. I can't believe people aren't using this. Okay, listings are 72% inaccurate. That's terrible. Oh my gosh. Reviews, they have some negative reviews, so they could use some reputation management up in here. Looks like there's a little bit of work to be done with these negative reviews. And then it says where the listings are, so it'll tell you where the scan failed, no match, scan failed. And no website found. That's a huge opportunity too. And again, you can either export this or just simply share it. It'll tell you when it was generated. And the even more awesome thing is you can add notes here. You can call these people, add your notes. You can also, guess what, generate another report. So the possibilities are really endless here for you guys. I think you can do as many as you want, but don't hold me to that. Also, when you close them, you can just click this little button that says Convert Sub Account, and you'll be good to go. You can really just tell them what their gaps are and come up with a solution to fix them, guys. So yeah, it's easy to share. All you have to do is click share and get yourself a client. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos from me, and grab your link to your free trial and your bonuses below. I'll see you next time. If you love my videos, but you find that you still need help with your automation systems or high level in general, I have great news for you. Nerd Level Academy is your one-stop shop for all of your training needs on high level, whether it's learning high level, setting up automations, automating your agency and your client onboarding, or even an SOP library. So go check it out at the link below, and I'll see you on the inside.